Arlo's Video Doorbell is an affordable and convenient way to protect your property. Its siren and other enhanced features make it an excellent choice for a video doorbell. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's unbox the video doorbell and see what's in the box. You will get the Arlo Video Doorbell, battery charging cable, rechargeable battery, wire extension, flat mounting plate, angled mounting plate, wall mount screw kit, security latch release pin, and quick start guide. Arlo Video Doorbell offers a simple, stylish design. It is small in size and is rounded at the top and bottom edges. On the front of the doorbell, there's a big button on the bottom, while the camera is located on the top of the front. There are two colors available, black and white. Once connected to the app, the video doorbell appears like any other Arlo camera in the app, with a thumbnail showing you the latest still shot that the camera captured. You can use the doorbell like a regular security camera too. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. During the day, it can capture crystal clear video with plenty of detail in people's faces. With auto HDR turned on, the camera can even deal with very bright days. Thanks to that square resolution of 1536 by 1536 and 180-degree field of view, this doorbell can capture people without cropping out their legs as well. In a nutshell, considers motion detection, night vision, picture quality, easy to install, tech support, and Wi-Fi signal. We rate it 8.4 out of 10. After analyzing longtime users' feedback and comments posted on different e-commerces, we found that consumers are delighted with the device's high-resolution HDR video, and no hub is a requirement. The users are dissatisfied with its limited features without a subscription, which is expensive. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.